Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix the selected disk has an MBR partition table on ASUS. So first, escape, click Alt and Y on English keyboard, but if you have other language, then click the underlined letter. Left Alt and underlined letter. Now, when it's powering on, spam the escape button and with arrow down, go to Enter Setup and click Enter. Now, click F7 to go into Advanced mode. With right arrow, select Advanced and arrow down, search for VMD. Now click Enter. Once again, button arrow down and enter to open the enable and disable select table, and with arrow up select the disable and enter. Now enter to click OK, F7 to escape the advanced mode, and F10 to save and exit. Click enter to confirm. Now, when it's powering on, once again, spam the escape button on your keyboard and with arrows select your USB drive and click enter. Now, it may take a while to open up from the boot menu. And now you can select the language by clicking the tab. And now I have selected the language and arrow left and right. We can select it. Oh, we can select the time and currency format, but I can't select the language because I selected only English while installing the Windows. I forgot. So now click the underlined letter. As you can see in here, it's N in English, and Alt, left Alt and N. If you have other language, then other letter will be underlined. Here on your keyboard input with arrow up and down you can select, and once again left Alt and underlined letter. Now to agree, click left Alt and underlined letter and go next. It's getting a few things ready. Then click left Alt and underline letter to accept. It's searching for disks now. And as you can see, we get rid of that problem. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.